The CEO charged in the death of a 5-year-old boy in a hyperbaric chamber explosion that happened back in January appeared in court today. This as attorneys met to determine what can be considered privileged evidence.
CBS News Detroit, Elaine Rojas Castillo reports.
Attorneys in the murder case against Tamala Peterson, the CEO of the Oxford Center in Troy, met on Monday for a motion hearing to discuss what may be considered privileged evidence.
But what we have here is a policy that gives the defendant adequate protections, but still allows this process to go forward.
Peterson, along with 3 other workers, were charged after 5-year-old Thomas Cooper was killed when the oxygen chamber he was receiving treatment in exploded earlier this year. In the motion hearing, Judge Maureen McGinnis heard arguments over the future use of what is called a taint team, which would be brought in to look through any privileged documents, like any emails between the attorneys and their client. Peterson's lawyer said laptops that were seized and reviewed by police during their investigation may have contained that type of material.
They've already looked at them, and this motion comes a little late in that regard because the police department already did it, and that's a problem.
Judge McGinnis ordered both the defense and prosecution to work together to submit a list of search terms that would be used to filter any possible privileged information.
My expectation is it is a completely separate and distinct body of attorneys that would be doing that.
If they aren't able to come to an agreement, the court will make the final ruling. Peterson is set to appear for another motion hearing next month. Elaine Rojas Castillo, CBS News Detroit.